Imagine being able to produce a whiteboard-style animated video from a single line of text. No editing software, no animation knowledge, just one prompt that instantly becomes a full explainer video. Sounds impossible, right? But it isn't. Introducing Golpo AI, a powerful platform that automatically turns your ideas or written content into polished whiteboard animations. There's a YouTube channel called Tic Tac Draw. They've got 11.6 million subscribers. Making simple whiteboard-style animation stories, and they absolutely blew up. Look at these videos 1 month ago for 42K views, 64K views, 88K views, and 77K views, absolutely mind-blowing. Then another creator, After School, came in with the same style and also hit millions of subscribers and views. They only made 236 videos and got exactly 3.7 million subscribers, which is just amazing. If you want to build a faceless YouTube channel that grows quickly and produces content people love, this is one of the easiest and fastest ways to get started. Let's walk through how it works.
Before going further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.
Start by opening the link provided in the description. It will direct you to the official Golpo AI website, a smart platform that converts your documents into polished whiteboard-style animated videos. After reaching the website, log in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main workspace. Here, you can enter your video topic, choose a perspective, or add any specific instructions in any language you prefer. You can also upload a PDF, docx, or any text file by simply dragging and dropping it. Now, let's try it out using the prompt to video option. In the prompt box, I enter this single line prompt: surgery without a doctor, the grim reality of DIY medicine. Next, if you want to create audio content without video for podcast, enable this option. After that, under voice instructions, we'll select USA accent. Under video instructions, you can add details like including charts, graphs, cinematic transitions, or stock footage, but for now, we'll keep it empty. We'll also check this box to edit the script before video creation and enable the color option for a colorful video style. Under Music tab, we'll select Engaging Style. In the Duration section, set the video length to 2 minutes, and under Voice tab, I will choose Male Voice, then select Horizontal Format, and from the many languages available here, I will go with English. If you want to include your logo or watermark, you can easily upload it here as well. Once all the settings are finalized, click Generate Script. And it will take some time to complete the process. Now, Golpo AI has created a full script for your video. Review it thoroughly and make any edits you want. After that, hit Create Video from Script. The rendering process may take a few minutes, and you'll even receive an email notification when your video is ready. After waiting for a few minutes, here is the output.
Imagine this. You're in a remote village, hours from a doctor. You've been in labor for days, and you know something is wrong. You grab a bottle of alcohol, not to drink, but as a sedative. And then you pick up a kitchen knife. This isn't a horror film. This was the reality of Inez Ramirez Perez, who in the...
As you can see, the visuals, animations, and transitions look impressively polished. Creating a video like this manually would usually take hours, from writing the script to recording the voiceover and animating each scene. But with this tool, all of that is handled for you automatically. Now, let's test the second method using a document. We'll upload a PDF file that we already have. In the prompt box, I will enter this prompt, ACL exercises. Next, in the voice instructions, we'll write, use an enthusiastic tone. In video instructions box, we'll keep it empty. Check both editing and color boxes. In the music section, choose the inspirational style. Set the video duration to 1 minute, then go to the Voice tab and select a male voice. And from the list of available languages, choose English. Finally, click Generate Video button, and it will start the processing. When the script is ready, give it a quick review and make any edits you want. Then, click the Create Video from Script button. After a brief processing time, your video will be generated.
An ACL tear can make your own knee feel like foreign territory. The journey back begins not with a step, but with a whisper of movement. A simple heel slide, gently reminding the joint how to bend. A quad set, just a flex, but it's the muscle reawakening. Then slow hamstring stretches reclaim lost flexibility, easing the tension. This is the groundwork. From here, you build the support system. Straight leg raises are like constructing internal pillars of strength. Glute bridges reinforce the entire structure from the hip down, creating a stable foundation for every move you make. Soon, mini squats begin, carefully re-teaching your knee the simple, crucial act of bearing your own weight.
The final result is genuinely impressive. The animations feel natural and realistic, the overall pacing flows smoothly from one scene to the next, and the video even features cinematic transitions that give it a polished, professional look. It's hard to believe all of this was created automatically. Now, if you are not satisfied with the result and want to edit your video, click on the Library button. Choose the video you want to modify and click Edit Video Settings. You'll see all the individual clips that make up the video, and each clip can be edited separately. Just describe the changes you want and, if needed, upload a reference image to guide the AI's visual style. Once you're done, click Edit, and Golpo AI will automatically update the clip. This is how Golpo AI allows you to turn a single prompt or document into fully polished explainer or documentary videos, ready to watch and share. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that when you sign up, you receive a credit that's enough to create a 1-minute video. After trying out Golpo AI and seeing the results for yourself, you can choose from a range of plans, including Starter, Creator, Growth, Business, or Enterprise. The color option is available only in the Growth plan and above, which makes the Growth plan the most practical choice for creators like us. It includes 150 credits, allowing you to produce around 37 high-quality videos of up to 4 minutes each. These plans are perfect for creating faceless YouTube channels, marketing and ad videos, or educational content, depending on your needs.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up,
Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.